Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use TubeLab for YouTube SEO and video optimization. If you want to dominate YouTube, you have to stop guessing and start using data. The era of upload and pray is officially over. That's why in this video I'm showing you the definitive guide on how to use TubeLab to surgically optimize your videos and explode your reach. We aren't just talking about keywords, we're diving deep into niche research, identifying viral outliers, and using AI-driven ideation to ensure every video you post has the highest possible chance of success. This walkthrough will cover everything from the niche finder and outlier finder to the AI outlier ideation and the powerful monetization checker. By the end of this video, you have a repeatable data-backed system to scale your channel faster than ever before. So if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. Before we click a single button, you need to understand why TubeLab is different. Most SEO tools tell you what people are searching for. TubeLab tells you what the algorithm is actually promoting. It focuses on the concept of outliers, videos that perform significantly better than a channel's average view count. If a channel with 500 subscribers get 50,000 views, that is a signal. TubeLab captures those signals and hands them to you on a silver platter. So let's start at the top left corner. When you log in, your first destination is the YouTube niche finder. This is the ultimate tool for everyone starting a new channel or looking to pivot. The dashboard allows you to browse over 400,000 breakout channels across every imaginable category. When you click on the niche finder, you're greeted with a sophisticated filtering system. You can sort by a variety of options. You can sort by niche, language, country, or even revenue. For those of you in YouTube automation, pay close attention to the RPM, revenue per mile, and CPM filters. You can filter for high-paying niches like finance or SES to ensure your efforts translate into maximum profit. One of the most powerful features here is the face or faceless toggle. If you want to build a brand without showing your face, you can filter specifically for successful faceless channels to see exactly how they're structuring their content and thumbnails. Now, once you know your niche, it's time to find your first video idea. You want to move down the menu to the YouTube Outlier Finder. This is where the magic happens. TubeLab's database currently tracks over 4 million videos, identifying the ones that are breaking the algorithm. In the Outlier Finder interface, you see a list of videos with specific metrics called the outlier ratio. This number, for example 10x or 50x, tells you how many more times that video got compared to the channel's average. You want to look for videos with a high outlier ratio but a lower subscriber count. This proves that the topic is so strong that the algorithm is pushing it to new audiences, not just existing fans. You can use the search bar to look for specific keywords in your niche. Once you find a successful outlier, click on it. TubeLab will show you the performance stats, the upload date, and most importantly, the title formulas. These formulas break down the psychological triggers used in a title. Instead of copying the title, you learn structure like the negative event of authority figure so you can apply it to your own content. Next is the navigation AI outlier ideation. So once you go over to outliers, click on, say, this one right here, and then you click on generate ideas. This isn't just a basic chatbot. It's a specialized AI designed for YouTube retention. When you have a topic but aren't sure how to frame it, you head here. By clicking on generate ideas, the AI analyzes current outliers and transcripts to suggest video concepts that are mathematically likely to succeed. It provides you with high retention hooks and a 1 of 10 thumbnail concepts. You can even use the AI outlier chat to ask specific questions like, what is the curiosity gap in this outlier ratio? Or how can I make this title more clickable for a UK audience? It takes the guesswork out of the creative process. At this point, if you can see how these tools give you an unfair advantage, you're already ahead of 90% of creators. So if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. Now, one of the most underrated parts of the site is the link to the TubeLab Chrome extension. Now, once you install this, your regular YouTube browsing experience changes. Every time you watch a video, an overlay appears on the right side of the screen. This overlay gives you the monetization status of the video immediately. No more wondering if a niche is advertiser friendly. TubeLab tells you if the channel is part of the YouTube Partner Program. It also provides a real-time RPM estimate. If you see a video in a niche you're considering that has a high estimated RPM and is successfully monetized, that is your green light to start producing. Now, optimization isn't a one-time event. It's a process. That's why you need to use YouTube's rank tracker found in the tools section. So if you go over to more, you can see rank tracker. And here you can input your videos, URLs, and keywords you're targeting. TubeLab will track your position in the YouTube search results daily. If you see your rank dropping, it's a sign that your click-through rate or audience retention is falling behind competitors. And this is when you go back to the outlier finder, find a fresh viral video idea in your niche, and see if you need to update your thumbnail or the first 30 seconds of your script to match current trends. Now, I'd like to talk about the investment. TubeLab is a professional tool, and its pricing reflects the massive amount of data it processes. So going over to the pricing page, you have the Pro Plan and the Team Plan. The Pro Plan is ideal for creators. This plan usually costs around $29 per month, but if you switch over to the yearly, you'd be saving more and you'll be paying $14.90. This plan gives you 300 monthly credits to use across all tools, including the AI and niche finder. But as we mentioned, if you go over to the yearly, you'd be getting a 15% saving. Then you have the Team Plan. If you run a production agency or multiple automation channels, the Team Plan starts at $100 per month, or if you switch to the yearly, you'd be paying $80. And this provides up to 1,200 credits per month. When you consider that one viral outlier can generate thousands of dollars in AdSense and affiliate revenue, the ROI on the TubeLab subscription is astronomical. It's the cost of a few pizzas to essentially hire a full-time data scientist for your YouTube channel. So before you upload your next video, here is a TubeLab checklist. First, validate the niche. Use the niche finder to ensure that there is a high RPM and interest. Then find the outlier. Use the outlier to pick a topic with a proven 5 times or more ratio. Then structure your title. Go over to the top, click on more, and use the title formulas. Use the title formulas to craft a high CTR headline. And AI scripting. Use the AI outlier ideation to ensure your hook is airtight. And go ahead and monitor your growth using the rank tracker. YouTube is more competitive than ever, but it's also more predictable if you have the right tools. TubeLab isn't just an SEO tool, it's a growth engine. It bridges the gap between creative intuition and algorithmic reality. We've walked you through the niche finder to choose your battlefield, your outlier to choose your weapon, and the AI tools to sharpen your strategy. If you're tired of putting 40 hours of work only to get 100 views, it's time to change your approach. Use the data, follow the outliers, and let the algorithm work for you instead of against you. So if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.